Imagine this: you're in the kitchen, ready to cook a delicious meal. But before you can start, there's one thing standing in your way: chopping vegetables. The onions make you tear up, the slices are uneven, and the whole process takes forever. What if you could cut down your prep time and make chopping effortless? Well, now you can. We all know that preparing ingredients is the most time-consuming part of cooking. Whether it's chopping onions, dicing tomatoes, or slicing cucumbers, it can take up a lot of your time. Not to mention, using a knife requires skill and patience, and there's always a chance of cutting yourself. That's why a high-quality vegetable chopper is a must-have in every kitchen. It makes food prep faster, safer, and ensures that every slice or dice is perfectly even. And that's exactly why the Fullstar 4-in-1 vegetable chopper is a game changer. The Fullstar vegetable chopper is designed to make slicing, dicing, and chopping effortless. It comes with 4 interchangeable blades, allowing you to switch between different cutting styles depending on your needs. Whether you need finely diced onions, thick-cut potatoes, or spiralized zucchini, this tool does it all. One of the best features is the built-in storage container. Instead of making a mess on your countertop, all the chopped ingredients go straight into the container, keeping your kitchen clean and organized. The chopper is made with high-quality stainless steel blades that are sharp enough to cut through even the toughest vegetables with ease. And because of its compact size, it doesn't take up much space in your kitchen and is easy to clean after use. Unlike other vegetable choppers on the market, the Fullstar chopper is built with durability in mind. Its strong construction ensures that it lasts a long time, and its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use without putting strain on your hands. Thousands of satisfied customers have praised how this chopper has transformed their cooking experience. It saves time, reduces effort, and ensures consistently perfect cuts every time. If you want to speed up your cooking process and enjoy hassle-free meal prep, the Fullstar 4-in-1 vegetable chopper is a must-have. Say goodbye to uneven cuts and time-consuming chopping. Check out the link in the description to get yours today. You won't believe how much easier cooking becomes with this handy kitchen gadget.